our Rabb Tabaraka wa Ta'ala will hang him on branches of fire, and a herald, a caller, will announce him to everyone. This is so-and-so, son of so-and-so. Then from his mouth will come extremely foul, corpse-like odors. And all the people of the Mahshar will say, "Oh, our Rabb, this person." Already the hardship of the Mahshar is immense. For 50,000 years the sun will be just above people's heads, a leg over 10 heads, hands, heads, legs, all indistinguishable, an overwhelming crowd. In that crowd there is also this awful smell. Due to the stench from the mouths of the drinkers, the people of Mahshar will say, "Oh Rabb, you already crammed us here, and now we are suffering this mouth odor too," and they will seek refuge in Allah. Then the angels of hell will take him down from where he was hanged, from the gallows, and send him to hell. He will remain in hell for 1,000 years, even though he says, "Woe is my thirst, I am so thirsty," still 1,000 years. This is not something easy. How can anyone choose this for a worthless sip of poison? How can someone with faith abandon this truth? Then Allah Ta'ala will afflict him with a terribly foul-smelling sweat. At that point he will beg and plead, "Oh my Rabb, take this sweat away from me." But of course it won't be taken away just like that. If the prayers of the people in hell were accepted, they would already leave and go to paradise. Because you should have thought about this before going to hell. You should have begged during the hours in the world when prayers are accepted, repented before your soul reached your throat, right? After this, Allah Ta'ala will unleash a fire upon him. He will turn to ashes in hell. But weren't people in hell supposed to never be annihilated? They will neither die nor live. According to the verse, in the hereafter in hell, they will not taste death. In Surah Ad-Duhan, there is no other death except the one in this world. So this does not contradict that. Allah Ta'ala will recreate them with a new creation. He will give them completely new skins like fresh sprouts. The verse already says this. It does not contradict it. When their skins are roasted and barbecued, we will give them new skins so they may taste the punishment. So don't misunderstand this as if there is an annihilation when their skins are burned. They are not being annihilated. The soul never dies anyway, and it is the soul that experiences the torment. But the body, before entering hell, may decay in the grave, in barzakh, while the soul is punished. However, in the Mahshar and in hell, there is no such thing as the body decaying or being destroyed. Both the soul will taste the torment and the body will suffer the punishment.